morning, students. Welcome to all of you in online class. Students, today will be the literature topic. Today will be related to literature topic. The topic was a letter to God. So, students, in this topic, I was working to write question and answer of the chapter first, a letter to God, that is written by G.L. Fuentes. So, students, we will start writing question and answer of the chapter letter to God related to NCERT question. So, students, I had completed 4 questions. Now we will start from question number 5. Question number 5 is that who or what did Lancho? Who or what did Lancho? Who or what did Lancho have faith in? Lancho have faith in. What did he do? What did he do? लैंचो को क्या और किसमें विश्वास था? लैंचो ने क्या किया, यानी जो विश्वास था उसके लिए लैंचो ने क्या किया? तो आंसर विल बी, आंसर आपका इस तरह से होगा, आफ्टर द हेल लैंचो हैड कंप्लीट फेथ इन गॉड. लैंचो हैड complete faith in God. Lancho had complete faith in God. He believed that God. He believed. He believed. He believed that God eyes see everything. God's eyes see everything. यानी भगवान सब कुछ देखते हैं, सबको देखते हैं, ऐसा लैंचो ने कहा. Even what is deep in, even what is deep in, even what is deep in one's conscious, in one's conscious, conscience, one's conscience. So he wrote a letter to. So he wrote a letter to. So he wrote a letter to God saying that, letter to God saying that he needed 100 pesos. He needed 100 pesos to sow his field again. To sow his field again. Students, answer has been completed. The new question is that the next question is that who read the letter? The answer of this question is the postmaster postmaster read the letter. The next question is that question number 7. The next question is that what did the postmaster do then? What did the postmaster do then? Answer of this question is that the postmaster first laughed. The postmaster first laughed. The postmaster first laughed, but as he read the letter, he became serious. He became serious. He was deeply moved. He was deeply moved by the farmer's faith in God. Farmer's faith in God. He did not want to say his faith. He did not want to say his faith, यानी वो उसका विश्वास नहीं डालना चाहता था, कमजोर नहीं करना चाहता था. So he decided to collect money and send it to Rancho. Students, next question is was Rancho surprised? क्या Rancho surprised हो गया? To find a letter for him with money in it. Answer will be such type. No, Rancho was not at all. No, Rancho was not at all surprised to see the letter from God. Letter from God with money inside it. His confidence and faith in God. Faith in God was such that he had expected that a reply from God. reply from God. The last question related to NCERT. What made him angry? What made him angry? Answer is that when he finished counting the money, when he finished counting the money, when he finished counting the money, he found only 70s. He found only 70 pesos. He found only 70 pesos, but he had demanded 100 pesos. But he had demanded 100 pesos. He had demanded 100 pesos. He was confident that he was confident that God could neither make a mistake nor deny him what he had demanded. जैसा कि लैंचो ने डिमांड किया था वो मना भी नहीं कर सकते। डिमांड नहीं, यहाँ पर रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, रिक्वेस्टेड। The next is that requested for, therefore, he concluded that the post office employees must have taken the remaining 30 pesos. Remaining 30 pesos. तो ये बेटा आपके एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन है। इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन I will send thinking about question answer and then word meaning of the chapter. So students, this session has been over. Thank you. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.